How to choose live photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once inside, by default, you will be in the Library tab, and here you can view all the photos and videos. Now, go to the Collections tab, which is the main hub for navigating your library. From here, go to the Media Type section and then tap on Live Photos. And then select the specific photo that you want to use. After opening your photo, tap on the Live button located at the top left corner. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select different effects for your photo. Here, tap on Live at the top. You will see the photo is now in live mode. After that, tap on the Share icon at the bottom left corner. Scroll down the Share sheet and choose Use as Wallpaper. In the Wallpaper preview, activate the live mode as shown. Then, tap on Add to Save. Following these steps, you can easily choose a live photo on an iPhone.